Okay, for this exercise you will need a pencil and a piece of paper. The pencil needs to be really quite sharp. Right, the first thing that we need to do is a light, very light vertical line, and then a line moving away at about 30 degrees, and then another line the other side moving away at 30 degrees. This is going to be the same again at the top, so parallel to the bottom lines that you've just drawn, 30 degrees. Parallel the other side, moving away. And then a vertical line parallel to the first line that you drew. So parallel, vertical line forms the back edge of the box. Same the other side, back edge of the box. Now we need to do the back sides, so they parallel, as you can see, and now we've got a complete box. All the lines you draw should be nice and light, and don't worry about them overlapping. It really doesn't matter. This next part is to make your box stand out from the background, and it's called thick and thin line technique. And we use thick or dark lines around the outside edges, as you can see that I'm doing here. So all the outside edges are thicker or darker, and it makes them stand out. And then the inner edges, where there are two surfaces coming together, are lighter. And this helps give a three-dimensional effect and makes your box look as realistic as possible. So the outside edges are thicker or darker, and the inner edges, where two surfaces come together, are thinner or lighter. Okay, so now it's your turn to have a go, so I'm going to play the video again and you'll be able to see how to draw the box. I want you to watch it carefully and then you're going to have a go yourself. Okay, so vertical face first of all, then the bottom edges going away at about 30 degrees, then the top edges parallel, then the outer edges vertical and parallel to the first line that you drew, then the back edges, you can see what they're parallel to. Now we're going to darken in the outer edges so that the box appears to stand out from the page. Don't worry about lines overlapping. And the inner edges where two faces meet are lighter or thinner lines. So now that you've seen that a couple of times, it's your turn. So let's get started. Let's get you drawing some boxes.